Hello. In this video I'm going to show you the installation and operation of this wireless backup camera. This is model FW7 Pro from Foxpark. I'll also go over what comes inside the box. This is Foxpark's FW7 Pro, newest wireless backup camera. Inside the box, you'll get your instruction manual. Here's your wireless monitor. This kit comes with one backup camera. It has the adhesive backing along with a slot to install a screw to help secure it into place, and a pretty much plug and play into your wire harness. This will be required to use this wire harness kit, which will need a power supply, a ground, and a positive wire supply to power your backup camera. The kit also comes with your DC plug-in adapter, which your camera will plug in to power it up. A really nice adjustable suction cup mount, so you can place the backup camera anywhere you want on your windshield. And it also includes the wire clips and some zip ties that you'll need to use for connecting your power supply. For this install, I'm going to be placing the backup camera on this 2022 Forest River Vibe camper. You can use this camera on any vehicle, UTV, your boat trailer, any type of car hauler or other trailers that you may have. And it's also going to work great for this travel trailer. If your camper's already prepped with the Furrion backup camera on the back of your travel trailer, then installing this backup camera is going to be a breeze. I'm going to open up the back hatch and I'll be able to tap into the power supply from there. The first thing I'm going to do is remove these 4 screws holding this little doorway cover on. Now that I have that rear cover off, I can pull out the already installed wire harness that comes pre-installed on this camper for the Furrion backup cameras. I'm going to tap into the power supply wires right here. I'll be using these quick connect wire connectors that are supplied with the backup camera. All right, we got the 2 wires connected. I'm going to go ahead and just wrap all this extra wire up real nice, and I'll get it tucked back up inside there, and we'll get the cover back on. Now that I have the wire harness all secured in place, the final step is to plug your camera into the power supply, and then go ahead and find where you want to place your camera and clean that area off with some rubbing alcohol, and then you can peel off the sticky adhesive backing and stick it in place where you need it. And if you want to just try it out there before you go and install the screw into your camper or wherever you're installing it into, it's probably best to first try it out and make sure you like the location of it. All right, we got the camera installed. I just have it temporarily fastened right here and a few zip ties until I see where I want to place it permanently. Now we'll go inside the truck. We'll connect the camera to the monitor and test it out. And I'll show you some of the features that it has to offer. All right, for installation inside the vehicle, plug your power strip into your 12-volt outlet. You will need to plug in the camera cord into the power supply cord right here. It just slides in. There's a little groove in there that you'll need to line up. Just turn a little bit until it lines up that groove and then connect the 2 together. Then your monitor will power up, and I'll go through some of the menus that are on this camera. All right, now that's powered up, we'll go through some of the features. We're on channel 1. You can get 2 cameras paired to this. This here is your menu selection, and these arrows will be able to move through the menus and then press the center button again to select what you want. So we'll go through the menu here. First one you have is a pair. Then you have your color control. Underneath your color control, you can control the contrast and the brightness of your camera. This here is your mirror control. You can reverse your image upside down if you need to, in case you installed your camera or you had to install your camera backwards. And then the other selection you have here is you can actually flop it from left to right. You can turn your guidelines off if you don't want to use them. And then there's also a factory reset. So now we'll go ahead and we'll just pull forward a little bit here, and I'll show you the camera in action. And now you can see this camera and also the camera on my truck is showing the trailer hooked up, and this is on the back of the travel trailer here. So I'm going to go ahead and back up, and I shouldn't back into my garage as long as I follow these guidelines here. And we'll stop about there, since that yellow one is coming in close and the red one here is cutting on the edge. This wireless backup camera from Foxpark is perfect for your vehicles, your trailers, ATVs, UTVs, and as you can see, you can also use it on this travel trailer as well. If you want to save yourself some money, I suggest checking out this backup camera from Foxpark. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get yours. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.